Join me as I dive into this one tactic that completely transformed my life after divorce, and see if it can change yours too. When you're going through a divorce, it can feel like your whole world is turned upside down. You're left to pick up the pieces and try to rebuild your life, but sometimes it feels like you're just trying to survive. But what if I told you there's one tactic that can completely change the game for men after divorce? One tactic that can help you regain control, confidence, and a sense of purpose. Stay tuned, because today I'm going to share this game-changing tactic with you. Divorce is tough no matter how you slice it. The emotional turmoil, the financial stress, the social isolation, it's a perfect storm of challenges. And as men, we often put on a brave face and try to push through. But deep down, we're struggling to cope. We feel like we've lost our identity, our sense of self-worth is shattered, and we're left wondering who we are without our partner. We struggle to connect with our kids, our friends, and even our own families. It's a dark place to be, and it's easy to get trapped in this cycle of negativity and self-doubt. We try to fill the void with distractions, hobbies, or even new relationships, but ultimately, we're still stuck in this rut. We're not really living, we're just existing. And that's when the fear starts to creep in. The fear that we'll never find happiness again, that we'll never be the same person we once were. It's a crushing feeling, and it's one that I know all too well. But here's the thing. You don't have to stay stuck in this cycle. There is a way out, and it starts with one simple yet powerful tactic that I'm about to share with you. Yeah, the tactic I'm talking about is called reframing your story. It's a powerful mindset shift that can help you transform your thoughts, your feelings, and your entire life after divorce. When you reframe your story, you're not changing the facts of your past, you're changing the meaning you assign to those facts. You're taking control of your narrative, and you're rewriting your future. This tactic is not about sugarcoating your pain or ignoring your emotions. It's about acknowledging the struggles you've faced and choosing to use them as fuel for your growth. It's about taking ownership of your story and refusing to let divorce define you. When you reframe your story, you open yourself up to new possibilities, new opportunities, and a new sense of purpose. I've seen men who are struggling to get out of bed in the morning, men who are drowning in debt, men who felt like they'd lost their sense of identity. I've seen these men transform their lives with this one tactic. They started to see their divorce as a blessing in disguise, as a chance to rediscover themselves and create a new life that they loved. They started to feel a sense of pride, of confidence, of purpose. For me, the key moment came when I realized that my divorce wasn't a failure. It was a second chance. It was an opportunity to create the life I wanted, to pursue my passions, and to become the person I knew I could be. That one realization changed everything for me. It gave me the strength to keep going, to keep pushing forward, and to keep believing in myself. If you're struggling to move on from your divorce, if you're feeling stuck or lost, I want to encourage you to try reframing your story. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Take control of your narrative, take ownership of your emotions, and choose to use your divorce as a catalyst for growth. Thanks for watching, and if you're feeling stuck, I want to hear from you in the comments below. What's holding you back from moving on from your divorce? Share your story, and let's work through it together. And if you're interested in learning more about reframing your story, check out my other videos.